Here are 10 different outfits for 10 days of school. Everything will be listed down below in order it appears. Here's a simple outfit that I like to wear when I was in high school. You can wear it like this or button it up. Here's an ear hook that I made, and a DIY of this will be uploaded soon. This is a perfect outfit for the fall season. It's like a preppy school outfit. And I also have a DIY sleeve bracelet coming soon. I call this my vintage outfit. If you can see, there are small little hearts on the shirt. I love this shirt because it's very loose and I like the color of the outfit. High-low shirts or skirts are still in, and I love the design of this shirt. If your school doesn't allow shirts like these, you can wear a cardigan to cover it up. I love anything with a Peter Pan collar. This is more of a dressy outfit, and it's really cute for fall or springtime. Okay, this skirt right here is actually a dress, but I tucked the top part in and put a corset over it. This last outfit here was inspired by a picture on Tumblr. I haven't really worn this out anywhere, but I'm excited to wear it back to school. I hope you like these outfits, and thank you for watching.